CNB703 multi-purpose microwave motion sensor. Double microwave transmitting and receiving antenna, more accurate detection. DIP switch on the upper left, adjust the left side detection area. DIP switch on the upper right, adjust the right side detection area. Adjust the induction sensitivity. Rotate to adjust the detection angle. DIP switch number 3 up, turn on anti-interface function. Reduce the interface of aberration and reflection. DIP switch number 3 down, normal mode. DIP switch number 1 up, on directional induction. When approaching, it can be detected. When departing, it can be detected. DIP switch number 1 down, bi-directional induction. The approaching and departing signal all can be detected. DIP switch number 4 up, turn on slow speed mode. Slow speed movement can be detected. Lateral suppression will be weakened. DIP switch number 4 down, turn off slow speed mode. Movement speed is too slow to detect. Lateral suppression. DIP switch number 4 up and 6 down. First grade ladder filter. Lateral movement speed is too high to detect. Lateral movement speed is low. Can be detected. DIP switch number 5 down and 6 up. Second grade medium filter. Lateral movement speed is normal. Too high to detect. Lateral movement is low. Can be detected. DIP switch number 5 up and 6 up. 3 grade strong filter. Lateral movement all can be detected. DIP switch number 5 down and 6 down. Turn off lateral suppression. Lateral movement all can be detected. Output holding. DIP switch number 7 up and 8 up. Output holding 5 seconds. Phone level adjustable responsively for 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. CNB703 multi-purpose microwave motion sensor.